Hello there. People often ask me, Bharat, how do you manage everything in your online coaching business? Your website, your payments, your ads, your videos, all by yourself. Here is the truth. I don't have a big team. What I do have is a powerful system, a set of tools that work together like magic. In this video, I'll show you every single tool that I use daily to run the Sales Gurukul, my entire online coaching business, from landing pages to video editing to payments, ads, and automation. And by the way, I've added all the tool links in the comment section, and you can also check out my detailed blog on the Sales Gurukul website where I explain each one of them step by step. Let's begin with website and funnel tools that I use. The first one is called Systemy.io. I built my entire digital structure on Systemy.io. It handles my landing pages, email automation, newsletters, funnels, and even online course delivery all in one place. It is simple, affordable, and needs zero coding, absolutely zero coding. Every landing page you've seen from me, whether it is my free guide, webinar registration, or course checkout pages, it's all built here. My recommendation is start with one funnel and one email sequence at a time. Don't try to build everything at once. The second tool that I'm going to talk about is Hostinger. My main website, thesalesgurukul.com, runs on Hostinger. It is fast, reliable, and beginner friendly. I love it because it keeps everything stable when hundreds of visitors hit my site after a webinar. The next one is Google Analytics. Now, here is the secret sauce, Google Analytics. This is a free tool that tells me where my visitors are coming from. Is it from YouTube, LinkedIn, Meta Ads, or Google Search? It helps me to understand what is working so I can double down on it. Next is payment gateways. I use three different payment gateways depending on my audience. The first one is Instamojo, my favorite for collecting payments in INR. Quick setup and easy for webinars. The second one is Razorpay for recurring payments and course bundles. Works beautifully with Systemy.io. Last but not the least is PayPal for all my international students who prefer to pay in international currencies. My recommendation is start with one payment gateway that matches your customer base and keep it simple. Next is video creation and editing tools. I predominantly use three different tools. The first one is called Desk Bigwoo. I use Desk Bigwoo for recording videos like this one. It's a teleprompter app that lets me maintain my eye contact with the camera while reading my script. So no retakes, no forgetting lines. The next tool is called Wondershare Filmora 14. For editing, I trust Filmora 14. It helps me to cut, trim, add captions, transitions, and background music easily. I even saved my brand intro and outro template. So editing a new video now takes just about 15 to 20 minutes. The next one is Canva. And for thumbnails and graphics, Canva is my creative playground. Every thumbnail, blog banner, and ad graphic you see from me, that comes from Canva. My recommendation is create your brand kit inside Canva. Could be logo, fonts, colors, so every design feels consistent and premium. Next is ads and marketing tools. The first one that I use is Meta Ads Manager for Facebook and Instagram. I run all my campaigns through Meta Ads Manager. It's powerful and gives you detailed data. I promote my free guides, webinars, and programs with small daily budgets. The trick here is don't overcomplicate. Test one message, one audience, and one creative at a time. Learn from the data and then scale. The next one is Google Analytics. I spoke about it earlier, but I connect Meta Ads with Google Analytics to track how many people click, sign up, and convert. This is where my real business decisions come from, not guesswork. Next is social media platforms. Now let's talk about where I share my message and connect with people. The first one is LinkedIn, my professional hub. I share a lot of insights, sales tips, and connect with the CEOs, founders, and sales professionals globally. Next is Twitter, which is X, and Instagram. I share short, thought-provoking posts and quick takeaways. Facebook is where I interact with a lot of groups, live conversations, and community engagement. The next one is YouTube. My main platform for all my long form videos live here. I also started posting shorts of late, which helps me to increase penetration. Substack. This is where I post newsletters and blogs and promote my latest YouTube videos. It helps me to stay in touch with serious learners beyond social media. My recommendation is don't try to be everywhere. Pick two or three platforms that align with your audience and post consistently. The next one is mind mapping and planning tool. I use a tool called Xmind. This is where all my ideas begin. Every course, every video series, even programs like SAP, SMP, and eGap were all first drawn on Xmind. This is my drawing board. It helps me to break complex ideas into clear visual maps before I create any content for them. If you are a coach or a trainer, this is a must-have tool. Next is YouTube SEO and analytics tool. I use a beautiful tool called VidIQ. I use this to research keywords, track what is trending, and optimize my YouTube titles, descriptions, and tags. It shows me what is ranking and what my audience is actually searching for. My recommendation is always add your personal hashtags to every video upload. For example, I use Bharat Ogirala and the Sales Gurukul to every video. So your brand grows with every upload. Okay, now let me summarize and give you my daily workflow using these tools. Here is how everything connects. I plan content in Xmind. I record videos on Desk Bigvo. I edit them in Filmora. I design thumbnails and creatives in Canva. I upload it on YouTube, share via Substack and LinkedIn. I run promotions through Meta Ads Manager. I track performance on Google Analytics and vidIQ. I collect payments through Instamojo, Razorpay, and PayPal. All of these tools together form the engine behind the Sales Gurukul. And the best part, most of them are affordable or free. Let's wrap up. These are the exact tools I use every single day to build and grow my online coaching business. Remember, tools don't make you successful. The way you use them with consistency and purpose does. You'll find links to all the tools in the comment section below. You can also read my detailed blog on the Sales Gurukul website where I've explained how to set each of these step by step. Now tell me in the comments which of these tools you're already using and which one you'll try next. Subscribe for more step-by-step lessons on building your own digital coaching business. If you'd like personal guidance, click on my calendar link given in the description below or WhatsApp me directly on the number in the description. I hope this video gave you clarity and direction. In the next video, I'm going to share the accessories I use for my digital coaching business every day. So stay tuned. Happy selling until I see you in the next one.